Hi, I'm Sarah Freese and I'm the lead designer of the Embracing Change workshop. So often, even in our teams, even the most change resilient and adaptable team members will find themselves a little stressed, tired, and irritable at the pace of change in the modern workplace. This 90-minute Embracing Change workshop provides a very effective four-step process for exploring the purpose of change. Secondly, how to deal with the uncertainties and the unknowns of change. Thirdly, how to understand what is our emotional responses to change. And fourth, and most importantly, in the team environment, how we can support each other with change. This workshop provides valuable life skills for dealing with change and ultimately will support your team to be more resilient and able to deal with it.